How to fix can't log into TikTok on iPhone. Let's get started. Whether it's login errors or the app just refusing to cooperate, you are not alone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix TikTok login issues on your iPhone. Let's dive in. First things first, check your internet connection. TikTok login errors are often caused by weak or unstable connections. Launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and then rejoin it. Likewise, you can switch between networks. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. And if you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Next, give fresh restart to TikTok. First, close the app by swiping it away from your recent apps, then relaunch it. Often, just restarting the app can solve small glitches that prevent you from logging in. Clear cache within the app. For that, launch your TikTok, navigate to the settings and privacy, click on the option of free up space, then click on clear for the cache. Check for app updates. Close this, launch your app store, then search for the app TikTok. After app appears, if you see the option of update, just click on it and update the app to the latest version. Likewise, launch your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of general, head over to the option of iPhone storage. Make sure you have enough storage in your device. If not, you can delete the unused apps. Sometimes insufficient storage in the device might be causing this issue. If still issue persists, what you can do is completely delete the TikTok app from your device and reinstall it. And lastly, you can give a fresh restart to your device. So you can close this, launch your settings, navigate to the option of general, click on the option of shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. By following these steps, you will be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.